Sipiika nagira ngu wafuna ekintu kuruga mu ofiisi y'enganzi y'ihanga noteekwa kuteekateeka ngu kyaba kiri ky'okuyamba abantu kandi kiri omu muringo murungi.
I have taken a personal decision as a leader that since it was not allocated to my district, but also the iron sheets were given already out, I have decided to buy 500 iron sheets and give it back. I have sent my personal assistant to take back the iron sheets to OPM.
Na wanyuma abanyeshengero basiima Sipiika eki yakora kandi bashaba abandi bonna abagiine okugagaruzayo.
I think it's very important that this example you have given, you have showed that kind of good leadership, be immediately followed up by other colleagues of ours.
And I want to draw a distinction between people who were invited and told there are relief items here, from those who actually manage those relief items, knew where they were intended to benefit and feasted on them. I'm not about to forgive them.
Madam Speaker, yesterday the leader of government business was missing here. Even today she is missing.
I have seen.
Not representative, I mean her in fresh. So I wanted to find out if she has already been arrested because she took 3,000 iron sheets.
Bita abandi bagira ngu abatwira amabaati bashemerewe kuba bakwatwa kandi n'abo bakugira ngo katambura gazo mu maka gabo nabo bakwatwe.
They should equally show remorse and not only being remorseful but pick a leaf from you and even go an extra mile to double. Madam Speaker, I'm rival.
The iron sheets located themselves in people's compounds without their knowledge.
I want to let you know that the office of the Prime Minister is the one housing a number of these ministries. When you receive something from the office of the Prime Minister, you may think maybe it is from disaster.
Enyimaho ba minisita batari bamwe na bamwe bakashobora mu mpapuro z'amahurire bakugambwa kuba batumye amabaati kuruga mu ofiisi y'enganzi y'ihanga omuringo gutakire beitu bakagehakana. Gasha kwa Jime Muhumza omuri Kampala.